How to use Earnify at the pump. First, you will open up the Earnify app. You want to tap the app icon and log in if needed. Make sure your payment method is set up. For example, you have linked a debit card. Next, you will need to find a participating petrol station. You can use the app's map or list to find nearby stations that accept Earnify. Pull up to the pump. You want to park next to the pump as usual. Check in via the app. Some apps require you to check in or confirm the station and pump number before fueling. This step ensures you earn cashback or rewards. Next, you will start fueling. Use your regular method. You can insert your card, select fuel, and pump as normal. And then you will pay normally. You can use the card linked to your Earnify account to pay at the pump. You may not need to scan anything. The app tracks your spending automatically. Earn rewards. Once the payment is processed, you will receive a notification or see your cashback in the app. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.